Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things CNC. Today, we're going to dive into the basics of CNC control and understand the machine's control panel. Whether you're just starting out in the field of CNC or you're looking to refresh your knowledge, this video is for you. Before we dive into the world of wood routing, we want to remind you of the importance of supporting content creators like us. By hitting the like and subscribe buttons, you're not only showing your support for our channel, but you're also ensuring that you never miss out on any of our future videos. So, before we continue, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons, and let's get started on creating beautiful woodwork together. As you may already know, CNC stands for Computer Numeric Control, and it's a process used in manufacturing to automate the production of parts. The control panel is the central command center of the CNC machine, and it's essential to have a basic understanding of how it works to ensure efficient and accurate operation. First, let's start with the display screen. This is the area where you can view the status of your machine and make adjustments as necessary. You'll see information such as current tool position, cutting speed, and the status of the machine itself. Next, let's move on to the buttons and switches. These are used to start and stop the machine, as well as control the various functions and modes. For example, you'll find a start button that turns on the machine, and a stop button that turns it off. You'll also find buttons for controlling the spindle speed, which determines the speed at which the cutting tool rotates. This is a crucial aspect of CNC machining, as it affects the quality of the finished product. Another important component of the control panel is the jog control. This allows you to manually move the machine along the X, Y, and Z axis. It's important to understand the jog control as it allows you to make fine adjustments to your workpiece and ensure it's in the right position for cutting. Finally, there are input and output ports that are used to communicate with the computer that's controlling the machine. This is where you'll connect your computer to the machine, and it's where the machine sends information back to the computer. In conclusion, mastering the basics of CNC control and understanding the machine's control panel is essential for successful CNC machining. By familiarizing yourself with the different components and functions of the control panel, you can operate your machine more efficiently and produce higher quality parts. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more CNC related content. Until next time, happy machining.